Hi, guys! Here is a basic HTML template made from Figma Design. It uses Bootstrap grid and Bootstrap icons. So, it is absolutely responsive. You'll see in the next minute how it looks on mobiles and tablets. All links have hover effects. You maybe noticed already the back to top button. It's not difficult to do this. Just using onScroll JavaScript method. Tablets and mobiles versions has its own hamburger menu. It works using JavaScript. As you can see, this layout allows the website to be opened on very small screens. Like 350 pixels is okay for it. Link to the code you can find in the description below this video. That's it for today. Have a good day and take care.